Hi, this is Matt with Learn About Law. In this video, I'm going to discuss the crucial aspects of Wisconsin landlord-tenant law. If you're a landlord or a tenant, understanding these laws can save you both time and money, ensuring a fair and balanced rental experience. So whether you're a landlord planning to rent out your property or a tenant in search of a new home, knowing your rights and responsibilities is key to avoiding potential legal disputes. Our comprehensive blog post offers a deep dive into Wisconsin's landlord-tenant law, equipping you with essential knowledge, covering rental agreements, security deposits, tenant rights, disclosures, and more. This guide ensures you navigate the complexities of renting in the state. Understanding Wisconsin's landlord-tenant statutes found in Wisconsin Statute ANN.70401 to 70495 and Admin Code 13401 to 134.10 is crucial. These laws encompass eviction procedures, essential disclosures, and other aspects, ensuring a smooth rental experience for both parties. Rental agreements, whether verbal or written, demand understanding lease terms, rent payments, security deposits, and maintenance responsibilities. Equally important are tenant rights. Awareness of agreement termination, especially fixed-term leases, helps prevent disputes. Security deposits are common, and our article clarifies rules, including returning deposits within 21 days and providing itemized damage lists. This empowers tenants to uphold their rights. Tenant rights encompass secure living conditions, privacy, and even early lease termination for domestic violence victims. These safeguards ensure balance and security. Landlords must provide key disclosures, including security deposit details, maintenance responsibilities, and lead-based paint hazards. Compliance not only prevents issues, but also fosters a positive rental relationship. Eviction procedures are outlined with proper notice and opportunities for issue resolution. Tenants facing eviction should seek tenant resource centers or attorneys to understand their rights. Tenant protections include retaliation laws and privacy rights, ensuring fairness. Domestic violence victims benefit from lease termination provisions. Privacy rights safeguard tenants from unwarranted intrusion. Maintenance responsibilities are vital for safety and comfort. Landlords ensure livable properties and tenants maintain unit condition. Repair and deduction remedies empower tenants to address repairs and deduct costs if needed. Subletting and assignment rules are important to consider, preventing discriminatory refusals and maintaining harmony. Resources like NOLO's Laws and Legal Research page and the Wisconsin Department of Agricultural, Trade, and Consumer Protection website offer further understanding of Wisconsin's landlord-tenant law. Thanks for watching. To learn more about landlord-tenant law, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments section and subscribe for more legal news daily.
Hi again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please don't hesitate to reach out to schedule a consultation. Book online or call us at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Wisconsin. Thanks again for watching.